On today's menu, a spicy, delicious stew that will leave you craving more. Soondubu Jjigae.
Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. I was in South Korea a little while ago for work and I had a lot of spicy tofu stew. Now if you made this gochujang or Korean chili paste in a previous episode, you're all set for making this Sundubu Jjigae or spicy Korean tofu stew.
Garlic, shallot, medium heat, sesame oil, garlic and shallot. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. 2 tablespoons gochujang or Korean chili paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. 6 cups veggie stock or water. Quarter cup kimchi. Half pound soft or silken tofu. Two teaspoons salt.
That just smells incredible. And you just let that cook for about 45 minutes.
When it comes to a boil, turn the heat to low. Green onion. Remember to turn the heat back to medium to bring it to a gentle bubble right before serving. Top the stew with fresh green onions and serve with confidence.
You never mess with the Koreans and their spicy stews. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.